Welcome to Module 7 of the Outlier Content System, Signal versus Noise. This is the brutal filter you need. Most creators are stuck creating noise, wondering why nobody's listening. We're here to define the difference. Every single piece of content you post is doing one of two things. It's either building your authority or actively eroding it. Noise feels productive, but it's invisible. Signal feels risky, but it's remembered. Let's look at why most content fails. First, the trap, noise content. It's safe, it's easy, and it's strategically failing you. Noise content includes generic tips, broad motivation, and vague fluff. Things like 5 tips to better productivity or hustle harder. Noise content feels productive because you're posting daily, but it's adding to the tsunami of noise, making you invisible. The difference is simple. Noise talks to everyone, which means it talks to no one. Now let's talk about signal content, the true language of authority and high-ticket clients. Signal content is specific, sharp, and identity-driven. It applies your unique opinion and challenges the status quo. Signal feels risky because it alienates the consensus crowd, but by challenging common beliefs, it is remembered and becomes unmissable. Signal content speaks directly to someone living a specific, costly, emotional problem. It resonates at a deep level. When you use signal content, you move from being a distraction to being a diagnosis. When a client feels seen at that deep level, when you articulate their pain better than they can, they don't scroll past. Instead of scrolling, they lean in. That signal creates a shiver of recognition, building trust, connection, and ultimately, authority. Before you hit post, apply this final ruthless filter to every piece of content you create. If your content doesn't feel like it's speaking directly and ruthlessly to one person's specific costly problem, it's noise. Stop posting and start transmitting the signal that only your ideal clients can hear. You now have the final filter of the Outlier Content System. The only way forward is to apply it. Subscribe for Module 8, where we uncover why being polarizing is safer than being helpful. Don't miss it.